Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for those pesky sore throats. Ludens Soothing Throat Drops, specifically their green apple flavor. Now, if you're like me, dealing with a sore throat can be a real nuisance, but fear not, because these throat drops might just be the solution you've been searching for. These Ludens Soothing Throat Drops are not your ordinary cough drops. They're packed with flavor and relief, without the overpowering taste of menthol. With their delicious green apple taste, they make soothing your throat a treat rather than a chore. Let's talk about what sets Ludens apart. These drops are fast-acting, providing relief for scratchy, irritated throats and sore mouths. Plus, they're suitable for the whole family, so you can stock up without worry. And guess what? They come in an assortment of flavors, so you can find the one that suits your taste buds best. Now, you might be wondering what makes these drops so effective. Well, it's all thanks to the active ingredient, pectin, a natural oral demulcent known for its soothing properties. Each drop contains 2.8 milligrams of pectin, providing temporary relief for minor discomfort in your throat. But wait, there's more. Not only are Ludens throat drops effective, but they also come from a small business brand. So, by purchasing Ludens, you're not only taking care of your health but also supporting small businesses. Talk about a win-win. In conclusion, if you're in need of relief from a sore throat or just want a tasty way to soothe your throat, look no further than Ludens Soothing Throat Drops, specifically in the irresistible green apple flavor. Trust me, your taste buds and your throat will thank you. That's all for today, folks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay healthy and happy shopping.